Hi guys, it's another Tiny Tatty Tuesday. It is episode 24 for me, and in this week's video I'm doing the bedside table drawer. I already did the bedside table underneath a couple weeks back, and I'm also going to be decluttering some paperwork. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and this is my everyday wife life. Okay, it's Tiny Tatty Tuesday, and if you remember, I already did this a while back ago in another video. It's perfectly fine, but I never did this. So let's just, I can't even, this is as far as the drawer opens. I'm just gonna take everything out and lay it on the bed. All this stuff. This is for the ceiling fan. That doesn't work. And these, I don't even know what they are. I should probably just throw them away because I'm sure I was supposed to take them and I didn't. I'm sure they're just vitamins and stuff. But since I don't know what they are, that's an iPod. And I don't think this comes out. So I'm going to have to clean this out. Yeah. All right, one. These should go in my jewelry box. Those are my partials. That can be thrown away. And this can be thrown away. These, I don't know why I have these in here. My sister did this to, I don't know if I can get rid of it, to embroider my mom's clothing when she was in the nursing home. So I like to keep the wipes here for my glasses and nail clippers. I mean, that seems useless in my drawer there. Put somewhere else. Don't need that in my drawer. This is an extra cord. I rarely use that. Okay, now I'm going to throw those away. Throw them away. This is perfume too. Maybe I should just go put those with my perfume. Okay, I'm just gonna put these with my other perfumes. And what to do with this? It definitely doesn't need to be in that drawer. I'm gonna put it in the electronics drawer. Maybe one of the kiddos might want that. Kayla or Abby? Yeah, they might want that. These are toenail clippers. I think everything else I'm keeping. Although I don't really use the CBD oil, I have been needing this lately. The pool is drying out my eyes, something awful. Since I've kind of not been using this, I don't know where to put it though. This, I was wondering the last time, that goes to that fan. And then this goes, when I get rid of that fan, I'll get rid of this. I don't know. It doesn't work, so why would I keep it? But whatever. That's my logic. All right, so these need to go. And I believe I decluttered this in another video and didn't do anything with these. Yeah, I was supposed to bring them to my niece to see if she wants them. So I'm going to put these earrings there. They don't belong on my bedside table. Now I need to go get something to clean that. And maybe put some of that stuff in the drawer so there's not so much stuff on top. I don't know. Don't forget, Tiny Tatty Tuesday is brought to you by Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. It is a series that is going on every Tuesday to encourage you to tiny tatty. So when you're done watching my video, you're going to want to click the playlist down below. I'll put it in the description and in the comments and get some motivation. Let's go. And let me know what you tiny tattied today in the comments. There is something. What is that? Oh, a mask. I was wondering what that was. Don't really need that anymore. I'm going to keep it. You never know. So, what did I say? I was gonna throw this away. So all that's garbage. Will that fit? No. It'll fit here. So those can go in there. The CBD oil, I don't know what to do with that. So, yeah. Just going, oh, this is glass cleaner. I'm just going to use it because I don't feel like going to get the cleaner. I grabbed the wrong thing. And I'm just going to wipe out this drawer. Glass case that I really use, but I made that, by the way. It was supposed to be an iPhone case. Clearly, I did not measure it correctly, so it's an eyeglass case now. And then, I guess that's gonna fit there. I think I'm gonna put this somewhere else because it doesn't fit nicely in there. So I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna forget about it if I do this, but I guess I'm changing my mind. I'm gonna put that with my medicine and stuff in the kitchen, I guess. That's what I do. And I don't think this other stuff will fit in there. This is my old iPhone. No, it's not going. I gotta find another home for that. You know, I can just put it in here. I don't want to get rid of it yet. I do have pictures on it and stuff like that. I do use that for Facebook only. I don't have it on this phone that I'm using now. Because I don't want to I should do that with Instagram too. So I'm not like addicted to it. I'm trying to use it less and stuff, which actually has been working out since getting the pool. There's a no electronic zone with the pool. So, all right, so that's gonna get put away. And I do use these daily, so I don't know, I just want to keep that on. I usually set my drink on that, and yeah. Oh, as for, and I'm sorry, it's dark in here. It's overcast today, and I don't know what would help if I turned this light on or not. So, as far as hubby's goes, that is his job. Sometimes I help him out, but it's a mess. He honestly doesn't need all that stuff. Look at all that stuff in there. I'll get him to do that eventually. But I don't feel like doing that today. So it's not getting done. Since that's a short video, I went ahead and grabbed this. I've actually been procrastinating. I have been keeping up with my paperwork. So this is all that needs to be gone through. I have been procrastinating for several weeks. So I don't want to show you anything, so I'm going to sort through it. And then I'll show you what I got rid of, what probably needs to be filed, and taken care of. This is cold one. This is Cold Cash, which has expired, so that's no good. All right, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay, so this was I did video this, but I guess I'm not going to show it. So because it wasn't really enough footage, because some didn't really want to be on camera. But on Mother's Day, I said in lieu of a present, I wanted some honey and sundews, and yeah, he did all this stuff. Maybe I'll put it at the end of the video. I don't know. So he did hang up those cornices that have been sitting there for like 2 years, maybe 3. Moved the candelabra, and we're doing some rearranging and stuff. So I had him move some pictures around and stuff like that. And hubby unloaded and loaded the dishwasher. So, and yeah, the boxes still didn't get done in the garage. Oh yeah, here's a future fix-it son hubby thing to do. God, it's done. Anyway, so I was making a list there. Anyway, so I went to a bridal shower, and I got I'm gonna save the ribbon. I always save ribbon. I don't know why. So I could declutter it when I do my craft room. That might be what I'm going to do next. So I got some lotion and stuff like that from the baby shower. So I'm going to put that in the bathroom. I'll put this in my jewelry box for now. And then declutter it later. Do I really need to keep this? I don't know. It's so cute. My sister helped make all these things. It was for her friends' daughters. Anyway, I'm friends with her too. But anyway, all right. So and here was the baby shower invitation. So cute. It was what do you call Peter Rabbit theme, right? Is that Peter Rabbit? Something like that. Okay, that's all straightened up. This is some stuff that I need to take care of right away. It's checks that I need to deposit. Refund check from the Treasury Department. Anyway, that is all garbage. I have to put this away. This needs to go in the craft room. These are index cards and some ribbon. I have a feeling I probably won't use this. It smells really good though. I'm going to stick it in my dresser drawer to make my clothes smell good, and do something with the rest of this. Hey, there you go. 2 quick and easy tiny tidies that I did on the fly at the last minute so I could get this video out for you, since I actually had skipped 2 weeks. So let me know in the comments below what you tiny tidy, and don't forget to watch the playlist. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.